Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option to choose tomorrow, whether it's a call option or put option, which strike price will give you maximum benefit, being an expiry date tomorrow, how the market will react and where it will end, and which option will give you a maximum benefit. All these things will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing this YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel. Keep to refer to your friends and also help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk and consult your advisor before investments. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. Nifty on a 5 minutes. Throughout the day up to 1:30 or 2 o'clock, the market was pretty sideways. So though it opened a kind of small gap up or something like that, but it tried a lot to break this 9,000 level. It was trying and it was trading between this 9,000 8,900 to 9,000 mark, and then after this 130, when our FM gave some kind of input towards the market, it just went up like anything. So this is paka a news based market, and last 3 days the market is like that only, and because of which you can see lot of ups and downs in the market. And let us see the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty also opened a kind of little positive, but it failed to sustain this movement. Like it failed to cross this 17,800 mark, and it was like keep on going and touching this 7,450. So yesterday my level was like 7,400 put option, which actually gave a kind of very good movement during the daytime. But after this 2 o'clock, the Bank Nifty shooted, and then it almost touched this 18,000 mark and came down. So what is there for tomorrow? Let us have a look into this option chain data. So in Nifty's option chain data for tomorrow's expiry, 9,100 will be a strong resistance as of now, but it will try to go towards 9,000 mark, and it will try to end at 9,000 level. So that is for sure, because you can see the maximum pain as of now is at 9,000 level. So tomorrow market might react for another 100 points down, and it might close somewhere closer to this 9,000 level, where you can see almost 12 lakh contract at the call option side, and then 16 lakh contract at the put option side, which will act as a support. So on Nifty you can expect 9,000 mark. What is there for Bank Nifty? So Nifty sheds around 100 points, you can expect at least it will try to close towards this 17,500 level, where it is having a kind of maximum pain after this 18,000 mark. So tomorrow my expectation is it might come and close towards this 17,500 level, whereas Nifty might come and close towards this 9,000 level. What is our SGX Nifty is telling about? SGX Nifty so far it is flat, so tomorrow you can expect some kind of negative in the market, and it might go down. Let us go to the presentation. So this is today's recommendation. So today's recommendation on a overall it was somewhat negative because of this shooting. Otherwise it was a kind of neutral to kind of positive only. So after when the market reacted too much positive towards the news, it went to the kind of complete negative thing. Otherwise today was also a kind of, I would say, whether it is not a winner, but it's a neutral thing. What is there for tomorrow? If market opens a little negative, if it opens below 9,100, my recommendation will be stick with 9,100 put option. If it passes 9,100, go ahead with this 9,100 call option. Otherwise, if the market is not crossing 9,100, stick with the 9,100 put option, and most probably that will be a winner, because market tends to go and close towards 9,000 level. If you are a conservative trader, you can take this 9,000 put option as well if market is in negative. If it is slightly positive, go ahead with 9,100 call option. The same thing with Bank Nifty. If the Bank Nifty is little negative, you can try 17,800 put option. Otherwise, if it is going above 17,900 level, try 17,800 call option. So tomorrow there is a combination of strategy. If the market is opening negative or kind of in a minus direction, red direction, go ahead with the put option, at the money put option, which is 9,100 put option in Nifty, and then 17,800 put option in Bank Nifty. If market is gaining momentum towards positive side, go ahead with the call option of 9,100 call option and 17,800 call option. And get ready for the upcoming TLP program. Like if you are a TLP trained trader, definitely you can make how the market, how with the Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you are a keen watcher of Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can make wonderful trades if you are a trainer from this TLP program, that is for sure. If you want to register for the upcoming TLP program, please do contact my WhatsApp number which is given in the description, and also my Telegram channel link or my email ID. Thanks very much and have a wonderful and profitable expiry day ahead. Thank you.